Today I want to show you something really simple. We're talking about frozen veggies and how you can roast them. It's basically just one ingredient. Let's get to it. One of the reasons I love frozen veggies is their convenience. They're pre-chopped, always on hand, and they're budget-friendly, making healthy eating a breeze. So here I'm just adding some frozen veggies to a lined baking sheet, and we're going to spread them all out, give a little space in between the veggies, and pat dry for any excess moisture. Next, we're going to put the veggies into a 425-degree oven and let that roast for about 25 minutes. And you want to stir it halfway through and then put that back in the oven. You can leave them in the oven until they're the texture that you like. Here are the veggies. You can see that they're nice and crispy. There's no oil. They have a nice char to it, nice flavor. I'll store them in this container in here. And if I want to warm them up later, I would put them in the oven versus the microwave because they can get a little bit soggy. So if you want to check this out, I have my recipe down below.